Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm so glad you came to join me for my safari. Oh my goodness, I love looking at so many different animals. Oh my goodness, look at that zebra right behind me. Boys and girls, I can't believe I just saw a zebra because today we're going to learn about the letter Z. So get ready to identify what it looks like, write it, and talk about the sound it makes. Get ready, friends.
Hi, boys and girls. It's time to identify and write the uppercase and lowercase z. Let's take a look. This is the uppercase Z. Mrs. Optic knows it's an uppercase Z because it starts with a straight line back at the top. It slants down and then goes straight back. This is the uppercase Z. This is the lowercase z. It looks just like the uppercase Z. It's just a tad bit smaller. Again, I see a straight line back at the top. It slants down and then goes straight back. A Z looks like a zigzag. So let's take a look at some letters and see if they are uppercase or lowercase z. All right, friends, take a look at our first letter. If this is uppercase Z, give me a thumbs up. If it's not, give me a thumbs down. If you're giving Mrs. Optic a thumbs up, you are correct. This is the uppercase Z. We see the straight line back, a slanted line down, and a straight line back again. Thumbs up or thumbs down. I do see some straight lines and I do see a slanted line. Oh, but my friends are still giving me a thumbs down. You're right. That is not Z. It doesn't have the straight line at the top or the bottom. These straight lines are on the side. This is not Z. It is N. Thumbs up or thumbs down. I see a line at the top and the bottom. Oh boy, you're all still giving me a thumbs down. I think you're right. There's no slanted line in the middle. This has the straight line down. It is not uppercase Z. What do you think? Is this uppercase Z? Thumbs up. You are correct. It has a straight line across the top. It slants down and then goes straight back. All right, let's look for the lowercase z. Remember, it looks a lot like uppercase Z. Thumbs up or thumbs down? That's right, thumbs up. It has a straight line at the top, slants down and goes straight back. It's just smaller than the uppercase Z. Well, this has some slanted lines. Thumbs up or thumbs down? I think you're all giving me thumbs down because there's no straight line at the top or the bottom. You're right, it is not lowercase z. I see some slanted lines. What's this little thing at the line-ish at the, oh no, you're all still giving me thumbs down. You're right. There's not a straight line across the top. There's not one at the bottom. This is not Z. Oh, those thumbs went right back up. You're right. This is lowercase z. It has a straight line across the top. It slants down and goes straight back. Great job, my friends. Now let's write the uppercase Z and lowercase z. Make sure you have those dry erase boards, markers, and erasers. First, watch me. You're going to start by making a straight line across the top. I'm not even lifting my pen. Now I'm going to slant down and go straight back. Go ahead, try it with me. Straight across, slant down, and straight back. Go ahead, show those uppercase Z's to your teacher. All right, let's write lowercase z. Remember, it looks the same, it's just smaller. So make a straight line across, make a small slanted line down, and then go straight back. Try it with me. Small straight line across the top, small slanted line down, and then straight line back. Excellent job, my friends. All right, get ready to talk about the sound the letter Z makes. Okay, boys and girls, it's time to talk about the letter Z and the sound it makes. The letter Z says zzz, zzz. I think about when I zip my zipper. So do that with me. Zzz, zzz, zzz. So today we're going to listen for words that have zzz at the beginning to know whether they start with the letter Z. So, of course, I already told you, zebra starts with Z because I hear Z at the beginning, zebra. Why don't you try it with me? Stand up if it starts with Z, sit down if it doesn't. The word is zoom. Zoom. Think, what do you hear at the beginning? If you're standing up, you're right because we hear zzz, zoom at the beginning. Noodles. Noodles. Do you think you should stand up or sit down? If you sat down, you're correct. I do not hear zzz at the beginning of noodles. Zipper. Zipper. Stand up if it starts with Z. Sit down if it doesn't. All of you popped right back up because when I say zipper, I hear zzz at the beginning. Sun. Sun. Does that start with the letter Z? Of course not. You all sat back down because when I say sun, I hear that sneaky snake sound. It does not start with Z for Z. How about bowling? Bowling. Nobody stood back up. Great job, because when I say bowling, I hear B at the beginning, not Z. How about zucchini? Zucchini. That's right. You should be standing back up because when I say zucchini, I hear Z at the beginning. Boys and girls, excellent job. It is time to now go work with your teacher to see what you're going to do with the letter Z.